Okay, so it's Friday at 5:46. It's gotten considerably colder. The trees across the way are swaying pretty good. I didn't get the best swaying, but there comes a little squall. Maybe you can hear the wind blowing. That big tree over there is rocking pretty good. And the little tree is rocking pretty good. There's going to be some busted up, there's going to be some lost tree branches. There was a little flash of lightning. Let's see how many seconds away it is. So anyway, it's plenty cool here tonight at 5:47, so we're still broadcasting. Seems like the water or the rain's dying down, so it's but the wind and the trees are rocking it.